Right, and those concerns just probably going to get worse this winter.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Unless the lake can freeze there at the shore, then we won't have those crashing waves. But the lake levels are going to be high, and I expect them to peak sometime in the end of the winter or in the spring. We'll see those lake levels peak. Good evening, everybody. Quiet conditions out there right now in Grand Rapids. And the weather headlines: a light mix of snow and maybe some rain coming in here tomorrow. We'll break that out here momentarily. Cooler temperatures arrive on Thursday, down around where we should be, 30, 32 degrees. And this is now the third or fourth day we have been talking about this. Going to continue to talk about it because that's our job, to give you a heads up here. Another big storm coming in here. It looks like Friday night into Saturday. It looks like more snow than anything else. There may be some rain that mixes in at a time as we go into Saturday, but that is what it looks like. So more appreciable snow than we've seen in the recent weeks here. Nothing on radar right now as we look at our temperatures. We're 35 in Big Rapids, 37 in GR, 38 in Holland. We're hanging on to 40 degrees right now in Kalamazoo and Three Rivers. There's colder air out here. Look at that. It's below zero right now with clear skies there. We won't see those numbers anytime soon. We'll still maintain temperatures at or above normal here for the next few days. Lots of gray shading on the map. That's the cloud cover that's stuck in here. A little bit of clearing down in Berrien County. We may poke some holes in the cloud cover here over the next several hours, but I'm still thinking partly to mostly cloudy skies overnight. That's how the forecast reads, down to around 28. Mainly dry, mainly quiet this time around, and winds will turn in and coming out of the east overnight at just about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our first weather map shows high pressure down to our south. It's questionable whether it will clear us out. I think we'll maintain a fair amount of cloud cover, and as we get into tomorrow morning, we've got dry conditions. Here's the next little disturbance coming in here. Everything in blue is snow. Everything in green is rain. The pink is a rain-snow mix, maybe a little bit of freezing drizzle in there. As we get into tomorrow afternoon, you can see that from Grand Rapids northward, going to be mainly light snow. I think probably about an inch or two of snow will be possible as we go into tomorrow afternoon. If you're south of GR, it's going to be more of some light rain in there. So it's a small system with a little bit of moisture, but it's enough to maybe slick it up the roadways for the afternoon commute, especially from Grand Rapids northward. That system moves out of here by Thursday at 6 a.m. There could be a few lake effect snow showers along and west of US 131 to start. Otherwise, we hope to break up some of the cloud cover for partly sunny skies by the time we get into later on Thursday. Let's go to the forecast model. Again, for you weather geeks, we look at several different models. I'm going to use the European model here, which is very similar to what we call the North American model, or the global forecast model as well, which originates here in the United States. Bottom line, look at all this snow. This is Friday at 6 p.m. It's still to our west, but as we go to around midnight on Friday here, you can see the snow starts to spread into the area. This is a rain-snow mix. There could be a little ice in there too, and that green is rain, but it's all snow generally for less. And then Friday night going into Saturday morning, we still are seeing generally snow. As this system draws a little bit closer, it'll pull up some warmer air because the track is a little further to the north and west. So I think for a time here, we'll see that mix with and change over to some rain showers. This is at noon on Saturday, and then once the system gets by us, we wrap in some cooler air, and that changeover back to rain snow is going to be likely, or to all snow as we go through the day. There's going to be a lot of wind with that system as well. Here's how I think the snowfall shakes out. Just to give you a basic idea, lesser snowfall amounts across our southern counties, probably only a couple of inches there because there'll be more rain mixing in. Could be maybe a tenth of an inch of ice down there as well. Across areas from Holland over to Ionia and Lansing, probably about 3-4 inches or so. And our northern counties on the order of about 3 to 6, maybe 4 to 6 inches. So that gradient with more snow here and lesser snow down to the south with this system is what looks likely at this time. Again, we've got a couple of days to kind of hammer that out, but I just want to put that out there again in case you've got some travel plans around the area as we head into the weekend. 37 degrees tomorrow, mainly a PM mix. As I said, mainly snow from Grand Rapids northward, rain south of Grand Rapids there. 32 on Thursday, maybe some sunshine by the afternoon, 28 on Friday. Most of Friday is dry, but as we get into Friday night, we see that snow develop. It mixes with rain and then goes back to snow on Saturday. Temperatures will fall throughout the day, and then we see colder air in here for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday next week with likely some lake effect snow showers at that time, guys.
All right, thank you, Kevin. The Nation